Nida Palawan, a paradise where nature, adventure, and relaxation come together. Discover a world-class island hopping, tourist, vibrant marine life, and luxury resort, and a authentic Filipino hospitality. Whether you're a backpacker or a luxury traveler, El Nido offers package that fit your budget. Located in northern Palawan, El Nido is accessible by air and land and sea. Your gateway to the Philippines. Last pointer, discover El Nido through travel agency, online booking platforms, and social media promotion that bring paradise closer to you. Our warm and welcoming people ensure every visitor feel at home in El Nido, Palawan. From booking your tour online to seamless resort check-in, every process is designed for your comfortable and convenient. The breathtaking view, world-class resort, and unforgettable memories are proof that El Nido is truly one of the world's best destinations.